To set the keyboard shortcuts for your menus, press the Set Shortcuts via Customize button, expand Custom, right-click on the menu that you'd like to set the keyboard shortcut for, and click Change Keyboard Shortcut. Now on your keyboard, press the shortcut keys that you want to set. In my case, I'll type Ctrl+F. Accept. You'll notice the keyboard shortcut has been updated in the dashboard. If you're using Daz Studio 4.11 or later, another button will automatically appear on the menu called Set Shortcut. All you need to do is type the key here, or select a key from the pop-up menu. Add any key modifiers, such as Shift or Control, then press Save.